Picture this. You're relaxing on a beautiful beach, the warm Caribbean sun on your skin, a refreshing drink in your hand. But here's the best part. You're also making money online. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, with Freecash, that dream can become real. More and more people in the Caribbean are using online platforms to make extra money or even have a full-time job online. Freecash is one of those platforms, and it offers a simple and easy way to earn money by doing tasks online. Whether you're looking for some spending money or want to explore new ways to earn, Freecash gives you a flexible solution right at your fingertips. No matter where you are in the Caribbean, whether it's Jamaica, Barbados, or Trinidad and Tobago, Freecash gives you a chance to reach your financial goals. So let's explore how you can start making money from paradise. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently crashing on the shore, the scent of salt water in the air, and knowing that your office is wherever you choose to open your laptop. This is the new reality for many who have embraced the digital nomad lifestyle, and Freecash is making it easier than ever to join their ranks. With Freecash, you can complete a variety of tasks, from taking surveys to testing apps, all while enjoying the beauty of your surroundings. The platform is user-friendly and designed to help you maximize your earnings with minimal effort. Payments are quick and secure, so you can spend more time doing what you love and less time worrying about finances. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement their income, Freecash offers opportunities for everyone. Imagine using your earnings to enjoy a meal at a beachside restaurant, shop at local markets, or even fund your next adventure. The possibilities are endless when you have the freedom to work from anywhere. So why wait? Start your journey with Freecash today and turn your paradise into a profitable venture. The world is your office and the Caribbean is your playground. Embrace the opportunity to make money while living your dream life. Freecash is a platform that pays you for doing simple tasks online. These tasks can be things like taking surveys, signing up for free trials, or playing games. It's like getting paid to share your thoughts and try new things. Think of it this way. Companies want your feedback to make their products and services better. Freecash connects you with these companies. You get rewarded for giving your valuable opinions, and companies get the information they need. Freecash is totally free to join and use. There are no hidden fees or charges. You earn coins for every task you complete, and you can trade these coins for real money or gift cards from popular brands. Getting started with Freecash is super easy. All you need is a phone or computer with internet and a few minutes of your time. Here's how to sign up. First, go to the Freecash website. Open your web browser and type in Freecash. You'll find it easily. Next, create an account. Look for a button that says Sign Up or Register on the homepage. Click it and fill in your information like your email, username, and password. Then check your email. Freecash will send you an email to confirm your account. Click the link in the email to finish signing up. That's it. You're now part of the Freecash community and ready to start earning. Once you're logged into Freecash, you'll see your dashboard. This is your central hub, the place where all your earning opportunities are laid out in front of you. It's like stepping into a treasure trove, with each section offering a different way to boost your income. Think of it as your treasure map, showing you all the ways to earn money. Just like a real treasure map, it guides you to hidden gems and valuable opportunities. Each section of the dashboard is a different part of the map, leading you to potential earnings. Here's what you'll find on your dashboard. The first thing you'll notice is the Available Offers section. Available Offers. This shows you all the tasks you can do to earn coins. These tasks can range from taking surveys, watching videos, to trying out new apps. Each task has a different payout, so you can choose the ones that suit you best. You can even filter the offers by type, how much they pay or how popular they are. This makes it easier to find the tasks that are most worth your time. Whether you prefer high-paying tasks or the ones that are quick to complete, the filter options help you navigate efficiently. Earning history. This keeps track of all the tasks you've completed, the coins you've earned, and your withdrawal history. It's like your personal ledger, showing you exactly how much progress you've made and how much closer you are to your financial goals. It's a clear way to see how much you're making. You can review your past activities, see which tasks were the most profitable, and plan your future tasks accordingly. This transparency helps you stay motivated and focused on your earning journey. Rewards section. This is where you can see all the rewards you can get with your coins, like cash through PayPal, cryptocurrencies, or gift cards. The variety of rewards ensures that there's something for everyone, whether you prefer instant cash or specific gift cards for your favorite stores. Take some time to explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with all the sections and features. The more you understand how it works, the more effectively you can use it to maximize your earnings. The more you look around, the easier it will be to find tasks you enjoy and make the most money. Remember, the key to success is consistency and exploration. Keep checking back for new offers and opportunities, and soon you'll be navigating the dashboard like a pro, uncovering all the hidden treasures it has to offer. Now for the exciting part, earning those valuable coins. Freecash offers a variety of ways to earn rewards, making it easy and fun to accumulate coins. Whether you're lounging on a tropical beach or exploring a vibrant Caribbean market, you can always find a moment to earn. Freecash has different ways to earn, so you can choose what you like and what fits your schedule. You can earn coins by completing surveys, engaging with offers, or even just by logging in daily. This flexibility means you can earn rewards whether you have a few minutes or a few hours to spare. Surveys. Share your thoughts on different topics and get rewarded. Surveys are a great way to earn coins because they are straightforward and can be done from anywhere. Imagine sitting on a Caribbean beach, enjoying the sun and earning coins just by sharing your opinions. Surveys usually take 5 to 20 minutes, and the reward depends on how long and complex the survey is. The more detailed the survey, the higher the reward. So take your time and provide thoughtful answers to maximize your earnings. Offers. There's complete offers by signing up for free trials, downloading apps, or buying something small. Offers are another excellent way to earn coins quickly. They often require minimal effort and can be completed while you're on the go. Always read the offer instructions carefully to make sure you do everything right to earn your coins. Each offer has specific requirements, so paying attention to the details ensures you get the maximum reward. Daily bonuses. Log in to Freecash every day to claim your daily bonus. This is one of the easiest ways to earn extra coins. Just a few seconds each day can add up to significant rewards over time. It's a simple way to earn extra coins without any effort. Daily bonuses are a great incentive to keep coming back to Freecash, ensuring you never miss out on easy earnings. Remember, the more you use Freecash, the more you earn. Consistency is key. The more surveys you complete, offers you engage with, and daily bonuses you claim, the faster your coin balance will grow. Try to spend some time each day or week on Freecash, and you'll be surprised how quickly your earnings add up. With a little dedication, you'll find that earning rewards becomes a seamless part of your daily routine, all while enjoying the beautiful Caribbean surroundings. Once you've earned enough coins, it's time to enjoy the rewards. Freecash offers different ways to withdraw your earnings, including options for people in the Caribbean. PayPal. Get your earnings sent directly to your PayPal account. This is a convenient option for many in the Caribbean because PayPal is widely used here. Cryptocurrency. Withdraw your earnings in different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This might be a good option if you're interested in digital currencies. Gift cards. Trade your coins for gift cards from popular online stores and services. This lets you treat yourself or buy things online. The minimum amount you can withdraw and how long it takes might be different depending on the method you choose. Make sure to check the withdrawal rules before you start a transaction. While Freecash works for people all over the world, here are a few tips for those living in the Caribbean. Reliable internet connection. Make sure you have a strong internet connection, especially when taking surveys or completing offers. Use a reliable Wi-Fi network or mobile data plan. Payment method availability. Check if your preferred payment method is available in your Caribbean country. PayPal is usually widely available, but rules about cryptocurrency might be different. Currency conversion. Keep in mind the currency exchange rates when withdrawing your earnings. Freecash usually uses USD, so consider any potential conversion fees. By remembering these tips, you can have a smooth and enjoyable experience using Freecash in the Caribbean. Freecash opens up a world of opportunities for people who want to earn money online, no matter where they live. Whether you're a student looking for extra cash, a stay-at-home parent wanting flexible work, or just someone who enjoys sharing their opinions and trying new things, Freecash gives you a platform to reach your financial goals. Remember, earning online takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Set realistic goals, explore different ways to earn on Freecash, and keep at it. So, what are you waiting for? Join Freecash today and unlock a world of earning potential, all while enjoying the beauty and peace of the Caribbean.